I'm Diane Kochilas, and I can't wait to take you on a brand new journey in Season 5 of My Greek Table, the flavors of longevity. These are gigantes, or giant beans. This season, we explore how the delicious traditions of Greek and Mediterranean food help us live fuller, healthier lives, nourishing both people and the planet. This is the bed upon which the fish will rest its perfectly tender flesh. Inspired by the ancient wisdom of Hippocrates, the foodways of my native Greek island Ikaria, a blue zone, and much more, we discover how food truly can be our best medicine. Time for the taste test. In my kitchen, I'll show you how to make vibrant, plant-forward dishes like creamy broccoli and cashew soup. We'll dig into eggplant rolls with walnut meat and Ikarian longevity greens pancakes. Meals that prove healthy food is also deeply satisfying. Oh, I really love this dish. Hello, Dr. Lee from Athens. And we'll meet some of the world's leading voices in the science of longevity.
This protects cognitive function.
Join me as we celebrate a season of flavor, health, and the timeless Mediterranean art of living well, one delicious bite at a time.